Where does the name for Caerwys come from? So today I'm in Flintshire in a small town called Caerwys. Let's get into the name. So let's break the name down. Now, the first half of it is obviously Caer, which means a fortress. That comes ultimately from the Celtic word Caerwys, which means a fortress or an enclosed space. So it's actually distantly related to the Welsh word for field, cae. But then the second half of it is a bit more perplexing. Now, according to Hywelwyn Owen in his book, Place Names of Flintshire, go give it a look if you can find it, the Wys at the end of Caerwys actually means something like a place characterised by something or a place of something. So it means something like the place characterised by the fortress or the place of the fortress. So if it's the place characterised by the fortress, where's the fortress? Well, I can't say for certain, but there might be a clue in the names of one of the fields just north of the town called Caerwys Castell. Now, Caerwys Castell means something like the acre of the castle, and it might mean that the fortress was originally slightly to the north of the town. A little known fact about Caerwys is it's actually the birthplace of one of the founding fathers of Philadelphia, Thomas Wynne, who travelled to America with William Penn, who is the guy who founded Pennsylvania. Now, another thing is that Caerwys was granted a royal charter to be a town in the 1290s, and that actually makes it the smallest town with a royal charter in Britain. So the name literally means the place of the fortress, the place characterised by the fortress. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, you can on my Patreon, the link's in the bio. Diolch, have a good one.